Welcome back to my channel Radhika TechHub. In this tutorial we are going to see the validation for the sign up page. I will show like this we are doing now. So the minimum length at least should be a 4 character. Now I am not entering any email. I am going to the password field. So please enter the email and I am not entering @gmail.com. So it will show email must be a valid email. Now please enter the password. Now I added at least of special character. So RADHIKA I've written and it must be 8 characters should be. So I am adding E. So the password contain at least one special character. So I am adding @. So it is gone. So this is the how we will do now. Let's see. And when clicking on register, registered successfully toast will come. First we will import our formic and we will write the values and we will display the errors also which we are seeing now. And we will use the handle blur when we are not entering the email and going to the password. It tracks the pointer of our mouse. And handle change to storing the data. And we use the touched. And we will use our validation and initial values. So we have to initial our initial values now. We are using the username and email password. First we will write our sign up validation and we will import in our sign up page. Sign up validation. So now we will give the email for username and for password. So what we have given in the sign up page as a username. So we have to take here also username f.string and it should be of required and we will require with a minimum characters of 6. We will take 8 and of max is 30 we will keep. And it should be a required field and we'll give the message as please enter the username. And next is the email. and we will give the app with the string of email, and dot it should be email. Then it will validate the email should be which we are entered is a correct or wrong and required. And if we not enter any email in that email field, please it shows the please enter the email. And next we will go for the password, and for the password we will give the regular expression, and with the minimum of password should be a 8, and max we not required anything. Okay, we will give the max also. And I want to match with give here you able to see over here. You can also search this in Google for this. You can also see here at least of one letter, one number, and one special character. But I am taking only, I am reviewing one number with a special character I am taking. Here I am removing the number, because if you not, and I want only at least should be the one special character, and also I will allow the numbers. If they will not enter any special character in the password, it should display that please enter at least one special character. And if we not enter any password and moving to the another field, it will show please enter the password. Now we will import that sign up validation in our sign up page. Now we will apply in our input fields. And before going to see this video, can see that sign up design page. I already provided the link in below description. And name we taken is the username. And the value it is values dot username. And when on change field, and is the handle change. And when we are moving to track that, so on blur, handle blur we are using, and we will apply all these in our below fields also, which is the email. And the name field we have to enter an email, and here is the values dot email, and we will apply the password also. And we have to display our errors, errors dot username, and when we are moving to another field, so it is touched dot username, so here errors dot username, and we enter correctly, so it should be null, and we'll apply the style for this. And applying dark, and text to be medium, and we will apply this error for email and password also. Here is the email, and now we will check the output. First we will refresh it. See, my cursor is now in the username. I'm moving my cursor to the email, and please enter the username as it is displayed. So now I will enter. So I removed in the cursor of email to the username. Please enter the email, and my cursor is on a password now, and I'm moving to the username now. So please enter the password. So I'm entering my username. So at least it should be 8 characters. So 8 characters. So it is gone. Now I'm going to the email, and I'm entered RA, but at the rate gmail.com I'm not mentioned. So at the rate gmail.com, and now we'll check the password. I'm entering. I will show it to be visible, so I change the password to text. It should, so RA, and it has to be 8 characters. So, and it should be a one special character, so it's gone. And I want, when I click on register, I want to be display the toast. On click, when I click on this, I want to display the toast. We have to import it. Now we'll see the output. So registered successfully. This is the how we will do the validation for our sign up page. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. It will show the notifications when I upload a new video. And before going to see this validation for the sign up page, see the sign up design. You can find the link in below description.